So for today's video, we will be talking about basic rational equation. So how to solve rational equation and how to verify our answer. Okay. So basically, every time that we're dealing with, every time that we deal with an equation, may it be linear, quadratic, rational, or uh, radical, tatandaan lang natin na ang sinasabi lang sa isang equation, the expression on the left is equal to the expression on the right for a certain value of x or for a certain value of the variable given. For example, we have 2x over 15 that is equal to 4 over 5. 2x over 15 is just an expression. It's a rational expression. Then 4 over 5 is also an expression, a rational expression. So they are equal for a certain value of x. So that's what we are after. Yun yung isosolve natin. Ano yung value ng x kung saan nagiging true yung equation. Okay? So to solve this kind of rational equation, basic rational equation, gagamitin lang natin yung cross product. Pero mind you, ang paggamit ng cross product ay may limitation. Ginagamit lang natin siya kapag isang term lang ang present sa kabila or sa left side of the equation and sa right-hand side of the equation. So pag isang term lang gaya nito, pwede natin gamitin yung cross product. Paano sir ginagawa yung cross product? We simply multiply the numerator of the expression on the left to the denominator on the expression on the right. And then we copy the equal sign, then multiply the numerator of the right expression to the denominator on the left expression. So 4 times 15, pwedeng diretso na kung kaya, no? So 2x times 5, that's 10x. 4 times 15, that's 60. And then to solve for x, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 10. So x is equal to 6. So meaning to say, this equation is true or is equal if the value of x is 6. And other than 6, this equation will not be true or these expressions will not be equal. If you put other value of x other than 6, so this expression will not be equal anymore. So to check whether our answer is correct, we can do the substitution. So we simply replace the x by 6. Check lang po natin kung tama yung ating sagot, no? Which is x is equal to 6. This is called the solution. This is the solution that will make the equation true. So 2 times 6, going back here sa checking, is equal to 4 over 5. Pag na-simplify mo na, you can do the cross product and check kung pareho yung magiging sagot. At pag pareho yung magiging sagot, it means that your answer, which is x is equal to 6, is correct. So 12 times 4, that's 60. 15 times 4, that's also 60. So they are equal. Therefore, the solution x is equal to 6 is true. Another example, we have x plus 2 over 8 is equal to 3/4. So there's only one expression on the left hand side and one expression on the right hand side. So therefore, we can apply the cross product. So multiply x plus 2 by 4. Copy equal sign, multiply 3 and 8. So distribute 4. This will become 4x plus 8 is equal to 24. And then since we're solving for x, we need to remove all the numbers where the x lies. So 8, to remove 8, we can simply subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. Pero ako, tinatranspose na lang para madali, no? So 24 minus 8 pag nilipat natin dito sa kabila. Then 4x is equal to 24 minus 8, that's 16, right? And then divide both sides of the equation by 4. So x is equal to 4. So it means that these two expressions or this equation is only true if x is equal to 4. Other than 4, this equation will not be true. So let's do the checking. So x plus 2, 4 plus 2 over 8 is equal to 3 over 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 over 8, 3 over 4. Then 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 3 is also 24, and they are equal. Therefore, the solution to this equation is really x is equal to 4. Okay? All right, I want you to try this one. You can post the video and then try to solve this third example. So, again, we will do the cross multiplication or cross product, 3m. So, 4m minus 8 is equal to 3m. And then decide whether, well, what side will you put the variable. So, in this case, mas malaki si 4m compare kay 3m. So, ang mag-a-adjust si 3m. So, ilipat natin si 3m sa kabila, magiging minus 3m. Si 8 na negative, we will transpose to the other side of the equation. This will become positive. 4m minus 3m is 1m or m na lang. And then 8, copy. So, m is equal to 8. Therefore, this equation is true if m is equal to 8. Then, let's try to check. 4 over 8 is equal to 3 over 8 minus 2. You can reduce the fraction to lowest term all the time if possible. Ma-reduce siya sa lowest term. Pwede nyo nang i-reduce. So, 4 over 8 is actually 1 half, right? Then 3, 8 minus 2, that's 6. What is 3 over 6? Is that 1 half? Yes, 1 half pa rin, tama? So, 1 half is equal to 1 half. You don't need to do the cross product. Kasi, pareho na sila. Okay? So, therefore, the solution that will make this equation true is 8. Okay? Another, we have x over x plus 3 is equal to 8 over x plus 6. So this is a different case. Why? Because as you can see, if we try to perform the cross product, we will be able to form a quadratic equation. So x times x squared plus 6x equal to 8x plus 24. So in this case, we have a term that is raised to 2. So it means that we will be dealing with a quadratic equation, not linear equation. So if quadratic equation ang ating dinidil in this case, ang ina-expect nating values of x, x's that will make this equation true is dalawa din. Okay? So i-check natin. Tatandaan natin sa quadratic, we can solve for the solution by factoring, by quadratic equation, by completing the square, or by extracting the root. Okay? So in this case, let's try if we can do the factoring. So put all the terms on the left side of the equation. That will leave you the right side, which is equal to 0. Then this will become negative 2x minus 24 equals to 0. Then let's see if it is factorable. So technique of factoring, the last term is negative, therefore the sign of the terms, the sign of the factors that we're looking for are different. So one factor is positive, one factor is negative. So mag-isip tayo ng factors ng 24 na magpuproduce ng negative 2. So it can be 6 and 4. But which one is positive, which one is negative? Considering the middle term which is negative, so dapat mas malaki yung kay, na kay 6 yung negative sign, and then na kay 4 yung positive. To check your factoring, multiply negative 6 and positive 4, it should be the last term. Add negative 6 and plus 4, it should be the middle term. So negative 6 times positive 4 is negative 24, tama? Negative 6 plus positive 4 is negative 2. So, nag-agree din sa middle term. Therefore, ito na yung mga factors natin. But we're not yet done kasi it's just a factor. So, we need to equate it to 0 pa rin. So, x minus 6 equals 0. X is equal to positive 6 talaga. This is your x sub 1. Then, x plus 4 equals 0. X is equal to negative 4. So, this is your x sub 2. Meaning to say, this, okay, so x sub 2. So this equation or rational equation is true if x is equal to 6 and negative 4. Yes, we have two values of x's that will make this equation true. Why? Kasi we were able to form a quadratic at the beginning. So pagka ganun, automatic, dalawa na yung value ng x's na tinitingnan natin. But always consider the denominator. Okay, checking the obtained values, if we're going to substitute into the denominator, sino yung magsisiro sa kanila pag sinubstitute mo? Sino yung magsisiro yung denominator? Pag hindi magsisiro yung mga denominators nila, ibig sabihin, possible yung solution. Pero pag nag-zero yung denominator, it means that solution is not allowed. Okay? So let's check if they are correct if x is equal to positive 6. So 6 over 6 plus 3 equal to 8 over 6 plus 6. 6 over 9 is equal to 8 over 12. Reduce 6 over 9, so that's 2 over 3, right? If we're going to divide it by 3, then reduce 8 over 12, divide by 4, that's also 2 over 3. It means this equation is correct for x is equal to 6. Let's try if it is true when x is equal to negative 4. So let's use this part. Negative 4 all over negative 4 plus 3 is equal to 8 over negative 4 plus 6. Okay, so negative 4, let's simplify the denominators. Negative 4 plus 3, that's negative 1. So negative 4 over negative 1 is equal to 8 over negative 4 plus 2 is positive 2. Then negative 4 over negative 1 is positive 4. 8 over 2 is positive 4. 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, tama po yung ating solusyon na x is equal to negative 4. Okay? So, if this is the case, automatic, tandaan, pag quadratic, dalawa yung x's or yung solution natin doon sa ating rational equation.